With YouTube news monetization policy, small YouTubers are ruined. Stay tuned for more details. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be doing something different. In this video, I'll be reading an article. On Tuesday, January of 16, YouTube have released a new monetization policy. If you don't know, YouTube made a policy last year saying that you need at least 10,000 views to monetize your video. Well, this year, January, YouTube need at least 1,000 subscribers, and that's not it, and 4,000 hours of watch time within the past 12 months to monetize your video. That means I may not monetize my video until I reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. This made a really huge impact onto small YouTubers. For more details, I have the article on the link in the description. Not only that, YouTuber that meets the requirement will also have new requirements beginning in the February 20th of 2018. And in one of their paragraph in the article, it says, of course, size alone is not enough to determine whether a channel is suitable for monetization. So we continue to use signals like community strikes, use spams and other abuse flags to ensure protecting our creator community from bad actors. As we continue to protect our platform from abuse, we want to remind you all to follow YouTube's community guidelines, monetization basics and policies, terms of service, and Google AdSense program policies, as violating any of these may lead to removal from the YouTube Partner Program. And another one says that through these changes will affect a significant number of channels. 99% of those affected were making less than 100 per year in the last year, with 90% earning less than $2.50 in the last month. Any of the channel who no longer meets this threshold will be paid what they've already earned based on our AdSense policies. Though after thoughtful consideration, we believe that necessary compromises to protect our community. So basically, YouTube just came out and said to us, hey, if you don't get 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers, you're useless to us. Of course, they didn't really say that, but yeah. That's it for the video. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. No, seriously, subscribe. If you feeling extra generous today, also go check out my gaming channel, also link in the description, called Chewy. That is at CH3WII. Thank you for watching, and may God bless you. Goodbye. Oh yeah, and guys, I have a way to help you guys. So basically, you all go down in the comments, down in the description, in the comments, what am I saying, and put down your channel name, your channel details, whatever you do, what kind of videos you do, and the other peoples will go look around at the chat in the comments, and if they see your comments and they like what your channel does, why not consider subscribing? And I know you're gonna say, this is sub for sub, this is sub for sub. No, this is not sub for sub. Sub for sub, I subscribe to you, you subscribe to me back. But in this case, you just promote your channel. You don't, if somebody subscribes to you, you don't have to sub back. You just promote your channel, that's all you do. You promote your channel in the comments below. And yeah, that's all. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.